कालो न जानाति भवसमापनम् दृष्टो मया तव महाकारः योगेश्वर काल योगेश्वर काल Namaskaram, welcome to Mahashivratri 2025. எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். மகாசிவராத்திரி 2025 எப்படி தமிழ்ல? எங்க தெம்பே இல்லையா? என்ன இப்படி? And welcome to our beloved Home Minister and many other dignitaries who are here. Namaskaram to all of you. Well, in every government there are ministers and ministers, of course, but after independence, post-independence, there was one minister who was also a home minister. Without him, the nation wouldn't have gotten consolidated. You know who I'm talking about. So, what Sardar Patel did at that time to put the nation together was one of the most significant acts post-independence. Otherwise, we wouldn't be one country, for that matter. Though the misfortune of partition happened, still whatever could be mopped up and put together as one nation was done. But since then, many developments, political, secessionist and various other kinds of things, even small constitutional disruptions happened where the nation, though was one nation in paper, in many ways, there were parts of the country which were not really in control of the ruling dispensation. I have to say, our present Home Minister, what's done is in some way a reflection of what Sardar Patel did at that time, once again stitching up the nation together. As all of you know, that slowly things were happening in the country, that every month there used to be a bomb blast. Next, where is the menu? Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, you name it. You have not heard of such things for the last 10 years. Thanks to all the agencies, forces and above all, the one who leads them, our beloved Home Minister, and the determined hand with which he has handled this, has done many things, and parts of the country which were almost not like our country where militancy ruled, today largely is in control, and he has made a promise by 2026 completely that problem will be over, and we're all with you, sir, to fulfill that promise. And above all, a complete reintegration of Kashmir as a part of India. Correcting, this is not to find fault with anybody, but historically, when we make some mistakes, knowingly, unknowingly, but we don't know what compulsions they had at that time, this is not a judgment on anybody, but certain mistakes that we have done historically, correcting them later on is a very, very complicated thing. And these Articles 370, abrogation of that and bringing peace to the state, making it normal, almost normal, I would say. Today, lakhs of tourists are traveling to Kashmir. They're inviting me to come and play golf in Kashmir. I don't know when I'm going. Home Minister should tell me when it's right for me to go. And this is fantastic because we must understand Without maintaining the basic sovereignty and law and order in the country, all other aspirations of economic development, of education, of technology, of spirituality, everything will go waste.